Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. I just come out of the bathroom, now watch me and it probably dry and thing. I need to put some oil in my ear and them something there. But I want to say thank you to everybody who buy them Fire Tune headphone. Wanna come here? You see me? Uno do this. You see me? Uno do that. Look how it reach me. My waist. Uno do this. Now, I'm going to some update because I never dropped my vlog yesterday. I go drop them here. Well, them drop already. I go actually. Yeah, some phone did a ring. Yo? No sir, nigga can't me. Yeah, so vlog world, I'm back again. What me that say? I uno do this. Now I share dirty clothes in the corner. If we go drop them off I cleaner. I uno do this. You see me? I think about 200 that, right? That's all. A mad thing. Them they're supposed to be bag up and pack up and ship out to Uno. You see me? Nah, like I only pay headphone them, you know. We don't see them look black that they are the black one them. We don't see no black that or white. You see me? This is for everybody who buy a headphone. Thank you, no. You see me? More headphones still up on the side. You can go click it and go buy one. Support the thing. Now when me I pack out them, you go get prizes and surprises in a box. So just go and hold the feet till me mail out them there. You see me? I buy some bag from Amazon. Watch y'all printer me go get. When I think I joke, this is not the right printer though. I have to go get a different printer. That's not the right one. Me not get everything yet for ship out on the products. Some I wanna get on a product already. Like who live in Florida, me drive go see them and drop off and meet and greet, take picture. If you don't want to know headphone, click the link in the description or link me on Instagram. And again, thanks for your support on the Fire Tune headphone. Wanna make me know if me for drop the do it for the vlog t-shirt them and that Gala Bitch t-shirt. That Gala Bitch t-shirt. Hold on. Shit, me not have it now. But yesterday, while me that got through my clothes, I find the original That Gala Bitch t-shirt. If you don't want the original That Gala Bitch t-shirt, I'll probably put it somewhere up on the screen. I don't know yet. If you don't want the original That Gala Bitch t-shirt and they do it for the vlog t-shirt, you make me know in the comment section. Remember, I read all of the comment section them. When you no left, you no comment them there. Whether good or bad, you see me? But again, thanks to them, yeah. You see me? A box 200 and something this. You see me? I'm not lie. Big up the whole of Trabass TV fans. We doing it for the vlog. I wanna cry. So vlog world, tonight I make a special delivery to a lucky fan. We buy one headphone them, I go meet her right now. So on a journey with me as we do it for the vlog. I actually just reach our place and I go video all of this, hopefully I can. It's raining, so let's go. Where am I going there? Ooh, people, me just reach. I think alright, that's all. Ooh, I think alright, that's all. I don't really trust you on that, so you know. Hello.
Hey,
oh
my gosh.
So me have a headphone.
You're really bringing something for me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Ready.
Oh my god, you know how long I've been watching you on Instagram. Like,
Thanks, let me give you a hug.
Oh my god.
You can't put it up on camera?
Oh my god. No, I don't want to be on
Or you're shy?
Yeah, I'm really shy.
Rain kind of fall. Hurry up, man.
Oh, you actually want to come inside?
Where money?
Oh. No, come inside. I'm gonna go get the money for you. Just come inside. One deal. You alright?
Are you alone there?
Yeah. He's a single woman, you know. Very, very single.
You're not really choosing something. You have somebody that go come pop up on you?
No, man.
You sure?
Trust me. Nobody now come in here. Nobody now.
What are you on there, sir?
Nothing in there, man. One deal. Tell somebody in here.
Are you alone?
Me alone in here.
For sure?
Come on.
So, your house nice though.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. I really appreciate that coming from you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to be afraid. Just sit down. I'll run inside and I'll get the money for you and, you know.
Yeah. Go on, man. Alright, maybe I saw wait.
Alright, I'll be back.
Yeah.
You can sit down.
You can sit down?
Yeah, you can sit down.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm telling you, you good.
Nobody know in your own this way you go?
Nobody's not in here.
Hello?
Nobody not in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get the money. You just sit right there. I'll be back.
Alright, me I wait.
Make yourself at home.
Alright, me I wait.
Alright.
You really like doing something, you know. And storm time I'm day over here. Tile pretty though. Like it tiling. You can't hurry up please. I have somewhere for go.
Now come, hold on. Now look for the money here.
Alright.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest.
Oh.
Me not get paid till next week still enough.
Alright, so me not can.
Wait.
Oh.
I have something to tell you.
What you have to tell me? No surprise me no man I go pop out or
No.
You good?
Hey, can I lock off the camera?
For
Can
no.
I lock off the camera?
No, I feel my safety this. Then I feel watch what me I do.
Trust me, you're in good hands. I promise.
No do that.
But since I don't get paid till next week, I can't get something else enough if you want to know. Trust me.
Me no licky.
It worked more than an headphone, man. Trust me.
No, it's alright. Me go with my headphone.
No.
What?
No, give me the headphones.
No, me what I'm.
Listen. Yeah, I'm mad enough. I know what you want to know.
What?
And I'm me I want to know. So like, guess what?
Oh.
I have something else for you. So where are you,
No.
We had to.
Me I check through your window.
We had to.
Me afraid.
You know what?
Wait. No, if you're not buy the headphone, me go home. Me can go home. See somebody.
Who's that? Who's that calling you? Who's that calling you? Who's that?
Somebody important. Hello?
Like who?
Hello?
What's up? What you doing?
Me need help. Call me there here. Where I deal with?
Who's that?
What? You need help? What are you talking about?
Mel, help me, please.
Help?
Huh?
Help.
No, not help. Yelp.
Who's that?
Yelp.
What happened? Wait.
Me stuck in a little
Who's
situation.
that? Who's that?
Mel.
Hello, hi.
My friend, man.
Hi.
Wait, hello?
Yes. Where are you?
Me drop off one headphone and me kinda stuck in a...
What?
Me stuck in a little situation.
Who's that?
And Mel, my friend.
Who's Mel?
Why is she talking to you like
who's
you
Mel?
know who you are?
Hi, Mel.
I got me a set too.
Mel, hey.
So leave.
Hey, what?
She take my phone from me.
Hi. Who are you?
What the fuck is that?
So you're not gonna tell her about us?
Who?
You're not gonna tell her about us? You're not gonna tell her about us? I'm confused. What? Who's that? Who's that? You're not gonna tell her about us? Oh my God! Do you know what we're about to do? You know what we're about to do? He's lying. He's with me. He's with me. Hey, don't worry.
A dream, a dream.
Don't worry.
A dream.
Don't worry. He's
Wake
fine.
up.
He's fine. No need to call anyone. No need to call anyone.
Wake up, a dream. Give me
No
my
need to
phone.
call anyone. Hey.
No. Hang up.
Why you acting like that?
Me a come down. Stop. So,
You know what?
I be a
I have
mad girl.
something for you.
I be a mad girl, me and me.
I have something for you.
That's the way you had food me, man. I be a mad girl, me and me.
Go in my room right now.
Go in my room.
Go in my room right now. Go in my room right now.
I shoot her, go shoot me, please.
Go in my room right now.
Big body up.
Go in my room right now.
Yeah, I will not have
Go in
a
my room right now.
You will never
Go in there.
Big body up. Yeah, put big
Go
one.
in my room right now. You got your own boy.
You can't take your headphone. You can't take it.
Lock off the camera. Lock off the blood clot camera.
Do this again. We made food.
Where y'all go?
Feel like a Superman, me feel like a Superman, me feel like a Superman. Superman no need tonic. Hard cocky me give you fi wine pan it. Drop on me na your belly, fuck out of this world. Me come from a different planet. Make me give you some Superman stabbing.